Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fish in Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. This game offers a unique and relaxing fishing experience that is quite different from other Zelda titles. We will go over everything you need to know, from getting your very first fishing rod to mastering the techniques for reeling in a big catch. Get ready to cast your line and explore the tranquil waters of Hyrule as we dive into the world of fishing. To begin your fishing adventure, you will first need to acquire the fishing rod. Head to Hina's fishing hole, which is conveniently located in the Upper Zora's River area. Once there, simply speak with Hina, the friendly proprietor of the fishing hole. She will graciously provide you with your very own fishing rod, a crucial item that opens up a whole new world of exploration and rewards within the game. It is a simple step, but absolutely necessary. Once you have your fishing rod, it is time to learn the basic mechanics of casting and reeling. First, equip the fishing rod from your inventory. To cast your line, simply press the B button and Link will skillfully throw it into the water. Now, the key is patience. Watch the bobber carefully. When a fish bites, it will dip noticeably. At that moment, pull back on the control stick to reel in your catch. It takes a little practice, but you will get the hang of it quickly. To become a true fishing master, consider these advanced tips. Experiment with different lures, as certain ones are more effective at attracting particular species of fish. Remember that some of the more elusive fish can only be found in specific areas of Hyrule's waters. Patience is truly a virtue when aiming for those larger, rarer catches. Successfully reeling in fish can reward you with valuable rupees or even unique items, making fishing a worthwhile and enjoyable pastime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.